Yes, and they hear different story people they fabricate about or against the Anioma state creation. And if they too bad, say your own people go just begin raise some kind of funny concerns when it make sense. I heard people say they don't want to be in the southeast. They don't want to be in the southeast. You don't want to join southeast. South where you dey since what you don't benefit. How close are you to the Urobo man, Ishekini, in terms of language? Are you close? Do you think you have enjoyed the best of, enjoyed anything being in the south? See, if you want to get Anioma state, it no matter where it is, whether we dey for southeast, south, our geographical, levels, now we go stay. So which one be we know if they do, some people say we know if you do morning sit at home. Does that make sense? So they'll come carry sit at home, cross River Niger, come here, come for us do sit at home. All these things are mere political manipulations. If we have an Anioma state today, we go rule ourselves. Do you understand? Without interference. I've been Bayelsa said they rule us before we did that. I be Rivers or Cross River State. Delta, we are on our own. And I say it will be for Anioma State. It will open up new opportunities for our youths. That be those who get sense. Not be those who they do political thinking. So stop all this unnecessary saga. We want Anioma State. Yes, if we're in the southeast, I don't think it makes any change. Even in the real sense, we and southeast and we and the other people, who they closer in terms of language, at least we go to hear what they speak. Abi? Yes, now we go to hear what they speak at least. So that hatred for in my GST 102, they say na Igbophobia or Igbo antics. All those Igbo antics on I won't carry come. Please let it stop. I am from Isele. I am an Igbo man. Do you understand? You know, guy, you won't take him. Me, I be Igbo man. Afambucheku mechuku. That's my name. So my advice to everybody where they try one way or the other to spoil this Anioma state struggle. Go and sit down, use your brain for once. Stop moving with the crowd. Think with your head. Think, say, okay, me and Igbo man, if I go Kafanchan now, if I go Maiduguri, Urobo man dey, Igbo man dey, or Ijo man dey, this way, who I go feel relate with? Pass. Or Calabar man dey, who will I relate with? Of course, it's the Igbo. Anioma is Igbo. Don't forget all those political sharing. Anioma, forget Igbo they speak. And now some man will not know the difference between me and the man across the Niger. Anioma state must come. Let's stop all this bickering. Let's stay strong, stay firm, and stay true to the cause.
Okay, my people, you all have heard what that our brother from Isele said. That our brother is so wise and intelligent. These are men that knows what is right for their people. They know what to do at the right time. He said that some Anioma people are saying that they don't want to be in the southeast. He now asked, what are we benefiting in the south? And how close are we Anioma people to other tribes in the south? First of all, those Anioma people that are saying that we Anioma people should not be in the southeast, they are just ignorant. Even when so many of them have traveled to the southeast, they have saw that we are the same people with them. They are still insisting that we Anioma people should not be zoned to the southeast. That is what we call ignorance and lack of sense. Those people don't have sense. Any Anioma person you don't travel, go southeast, consider you say Anioma people are not Igbos, Anioma people are not meant to be in the southeast. That Anioma person knows why. People where you are, they speak the same language, culture and tradition. You are still saying that you are not one people with them. Are you not a fool? Such person is a fool. He asked, what are we Anioma people benefiting in the south? I've said this thing so many times. What are Anioma people benefiting? Nothing. We just dey south. Tell me one better thing we don't enter Anioma land since we dey south. The only thing that we Anioma people are benefiting in this south is marginalization, attack on our identity as Igbo people. As we did this animal, they thought it would be Igbo people. So many animals from other tribes are telling us that you people are not Igbos. Can you imagine? Now you go tell me where I come from? Am I telling Urobo people that they are not Urobo people? No. Am I telling Esan people that they are not Esan people? No. Am I telling Bini people that they are not Bini people? No. Am I telling Shekiri people that they are not Shekiri people? No. Am I telling Ijo people that they are not Ijo people? No. Why is it that if I tell people that me and no kind person is an Igbo person, they become angry? Ika person will tell a Bini person that he and Ika person is an Igbo man. Bini person go start to retell him, you Ika person, you are not Igbo. Ika people are not Igbos. Ika people are Bini people. Can you imagine? I refer to all these people from other tribes that say we Anioma people are not Igbos as animals because they are animals. Person who gets supposed to say Anioma state is expected to be in the southeast. The southeast is not different from we Anioma people. We be the same people. We they reason the same way. We they act the same way. We get the same culture, tradition, food, dressing, music, everything. Nothing different. Wait till we they benefit from south. Tell me one good thing where they this Anioma where we say, nah, that's how give us that thing. Nothing. No development. Come on, the region 9 worst. Ukwan 9 worst for this Anioma where we did so. Ukwan is the poorest Igbo region in Anioma land. If to say they pay you, say I thought say Ukwan is the poorest region. Tell me how Ukwan is better pass in one region. Tell me how Ukwan is better pass in Ika region. Tell me one thing now. Nothing. Not if you tell me. When it comes to natural resources in Anioma, Ukwan is the highest. Natural resources where they only Okwane pass the entire natural resources where they Enuane and the Ika land. They're not rich just for natural resources. Why you come be say we Okwane people na the poorest? Now marginalization they make us they as we dey so. In Okwane we get crude oil everywhere. Okwane land be like where get crude oil? No. All those oil companies just they marginalize us. They carry our crude oil. They do anyhow. They enjoy the money. Which our people they do for them are just security. The reason why so many Okwane people they fight this Anioma state now because of say all those change whether they give their community be all those oil companies. They go give the community heads money. Then all those community heads go come they share like 30,000, 50,000 to their youths. As Manager Center why use hand for kind, they're going to say go look for any guy will get any JD. So many for youths in Okwane are working hard, they are hard working, but this money where they share give our youth follow for what they make. So many of our youth for Okwane they lazy because they're not features money. They just they depend on that change where they give them. So they're going to tell you Southeast too like money. That they work to make money. Crude oil they Southeast. Imo State have the highest gas reserve in the entire Africa. Imo State. When they make Okwane people they feel say Southeast won't make we dey part of them because of oil. Which oil? You dey South you get the oil. What are you using that oil to do? Are you benefiting from that oil? No. So now Southeast where you won't go now. Now you go come collect your crude oil and your resources. Also why not good? Make one the reason. You are proud of crude oil. Okwane get crude oil. Okwane get crude oil. Now why Southeast will make we join them? Anambra State have crude oil. Imo State have crude oil. Abia State have crude oil. Do you know the resources in the Southeast? But our Southeastern brothers, they did not depend on that their resources. They are working hard. The same way the country is marginalizing Okwane people, exploiting Okwane people, is the same way they are marginalizing and exploiting all around the country. That they marginalize South and Southeast. Instead of you to complain, say your country they marginalize you, your problem now Southeast. Us why? That's our brother asked. How close are we Anioma people to the tribes in the South? When we Okwane people speak, Urobo people don't hear. Isoko don't hear. Ijo don't hear. Ishekiri don't hear. Bini don't hear. Esan don't hear. Esako don't hear. No tribe in the South that is not Igbo speaking understands Okwane dialect. They don't understand the Ika. They don't understand the Oshimiri. They don't understand the Aniocha. And you think those people will see you as their brothers. They don't see you as their brothers. Bini said that you people are claiming we are from Bini. Bini don't see Okwane people as their brothers. If Bini people see we Okwane people as brothers, why were Bini people killing Okwane people that ran into Bini land for safety during the Biafra war? This will not be saying they spread propaganda. Go and make your research. Bini kill Ika people rubbish for Biafra war. Do you know what Ibanke people suffered in the hands of Benin people during the Biafra war? Ibanke people are saying it with their mouth. Say what Benin people do that not be here. Ask other Ika communities, they will tell you. In the past, Benin people were invading Ika land, killing so many of our people. Go and make research. And today, some of those Ika people, they tell you, say, we are not Igbo people, we Ika people. All of us are Benin people. Also, why? People don't know their history. Say you get migrants from Benin, where join for economy, say you Ika people are now Benin people. Every tribe in this world have migrants among them who are now being assimilated. If you go Robo land, you go see some Robo people where they say their ancestry true na Igbo land they from come. But today they no longer speak Igbo, they now speak Urobo. Go to Isoko land. Some communities there are of Igbo origin. They came as Igbo people. But today, assimilation don't take over them. They now speak Isoko language. With those people now say that they are not Isoko, that they are Igbo people. They will no longer claim Igbo. They are now Isoko. We be brothers, fine, but made the day where they be Isoko. Benin people came from Yariba and Ile-Ife. Are you seeing Benin people coming online to say, we are not Benin people, we are Yariba people, we came from Ile-Ife, we are not meant to be in the South South? You know, go hear that rubbish from their mouths. Not only Anioma, you go see community where they speak Igbo, they speak Ika, they go there say they not be Igbo people, say they come from Benin, say they be Benin people. Waiting on our enemies, not they do themselves, now when they do themselves. Do you think that claiming Benin origin will save you in South South? During the Biafra war, did Benin people fight for your sake? No. Did they come for the rescue of Anioma people? No. Did they come for the rescue of ukwu people and the Ika people? No. Yet you people are claiming that you are part of them. You are part of them. You ran into their land for safety. They kill you waiting not good. You still today you still claim say you not be Igbo person, say you be Benin person. Ozwai. This is why we they call people they do like Ozwai. Ozwai na big insult. Ozwai if you are maro. See what my brother they talk say. How close are we to the South people? We are not close to them. We just be neighbors. Some people will tell you, ukwu and Urobo na brothers. We not be brothers. We not be the same papa. We not be the same mama. We just be neighbors. Now boundary we dey. If we are brothers, how come we are Urobo people killing ukwu and people that ran into their land for safety during the Biafra war? Go and ask question. Go ask our elders for ukwu and they will tell you. If we be brothers, why did they kill us during that war? Even for this Delta state, why would they so? Urobo people they see us as outcasts. They see us as fake Delta people. They don't see us as Delta people. They tell us that they own Delta states. And that is why now then they rule Delta state as governor. You they force yourself on people who not like you. Are you not a fool? Now you know history pass. Go Esa land today. There are some Esa people that are originally Igbos. Now Igbo land here, they from go there. They are now assimilated. They now speak Esa. You will never see them tell you that they are not Esa people, that they are Igbo people. Now only this Anioma here. You will see people who not get sense come out to the talk rubbish. We are not talking people. We are Benin people. Are you speaking Benin language? We are not Igbo people. We can't people are Benin people. Are you speaking Benin language? Benin people that came from Yariba land as Yariba people, but they now got assimilated. Their language is no longer Yariba, but a mixture of Idu language. How many times have you seen these Benin people claim that they are Yariba people from Ile-Ife? You will never see such a thing. Now only this Anioma, you go see people they claim say they get sense. Come online, they talk rubbish. We are not the same with these people. We are Igbo people. We Anioma people are Igbos. Our brother said that we Anioma people are the ones that will be ruling ourselves. I have always said this thing countless times. That is the truth. Now Enugu state they rule Anambra state. No. Now Abia state they rule Ebonyi state. No. Imo state they rule Anambra state. No. Enugu state. Now Enugu state they rule Ebonyi state. No. So what they make when they feel say if we Anioma people join Southeast, say someone from Anambra go come be our governor, someone from Ebonyi go come be our senator. All this is not propaganda. So many Anioma people believe in this thing. Person wey get common sense and person where they teach sense not be the same thing. Person wey get common sense, if you see truth, if you see fact, they know, because such person a researcher. But person wey say that they teach you sense, if they still teach you that sense, another person still come teach you nonsense, you go throw away the sense wey they teach you, learn nonsense. This is why we are expected to reason, make we dey reason. People working on during Biafra go come they tell you your history, tell you all of another brother, you go still believe, they follow, they laugh. No one loves the Igbo race more than Igbo people. No one loves Ukwu people more than Igbo speaking people. No one loves Ika people more than Igbo speaking people. No one loves anyone more than Igbo speaking people. They are brothers. The best friend of an Igbo man in Nigeria is an Igbo man. Nobody loves us past ourselves. Now we love ourselves. And that is why we are expected to unite as a people. So, no, they allow all this propaganda where so many animals from other tribes, they tell us, say, Anioma people, you people should not join Southeast. They are trying to marginalize you. They will take over your resources. They will come and invade your land. They will take over your throne. They will take over your government seats. No matter those bad people. Even Lagos State, 4 governors where Lagos State don't produce. None of those governors be indigenous of Lagos State. So many of those governors came from Ogun State. Some of them came from Ijebu, some of them came from Ekiti. They are not even Lagos indigenous, but they rule Lagos. That kind of thing never happened for Igbo land. Yet, people will say, waiting that they do, they will call the accused Southeast or waiting that they do. You and another person, you go believe that because since childhood, you have been brought up to hate the Southeast, your brothers. You don't feel use your head. We did computer age, you don't feel use your head. Reason, no say we are these people, our brothers, all this is our propaganda. Anioma youth, wake up. For the youths are the future of Anioma. Not allow all these elders, old people where they say, they're not just one reason. Old person they say the name of him ancestor na Ezechima, you go tell Ezechima na Benin person. You believe that elder, you don't feel reason. Benin people they bear Ezechima no. Benin people they bear Abulaka no. Then they bear Odimegu no. Odimegu is an ancestor in a village in Ogume. But the descendant of that Odimegu now go tell you say, na Benin person our ancestor be Odimegu na Benin them no. That Benin land where our ancestors they live since before Benin people invaded from Ile-Ife. They run, come back, not me say they be Benin people. If they tell you that your ancestor is from Benin, ask the person, what is the name of our ancestor? Now the name of your ancestor, you go tell know whether you be Benin person or you not be Benin person. That land, different tribes are living there. So they come out from that place, come here, not me say they be Benin people. As Kogi State today now, Igbo man come from there, indigenous Igbos in Kogi State now. Somebody come from Avrugo, his name na Chukwemeka. If from that place come here now, you call it and say, our ancestor is from Kogi State, he's not an Igbo man, he's from Kogi State. Kogi State does not belong to Igala people, it does not belong to other tribes there. There are so many tribes there, and so Benin Day. So the name of your ancestor is where you belong. Your language, culture, and tradition is where you belong. You are expected to identify with people you speak the same language, culture, and tradition with. Other tribes where you get different origin, identify with language where they speak today. You don't want to identify with language where they speak. You want to identify with people where they usually do sacrifice in the past. He said that he's from Isele and that he's an Igbo man. He bear Igbo name and so on. Isele community is Igbo land. The first settlers in Isele came from Uri Kingdom. They were there before Ezechime came and met them there. Ezechime's son established a dynasty there. But some migrants from Benin came to Isele, took over the throne and became king there. The history is there. And that is why you will see the throne of Isele telling you, we are not Igbo people, we are from Benin, now Oba Kenzo are born us, this, that. We know that you people are migrants. They are all those Isele people they thought they come from Benin. They are migrants. They are tenants there. And the Obi of Isele does not even hold the offer of Isele community. The offer holder in that Isele community are the first settlers. They're known as Nri people. So that Isele throne just there, they not get offer for them. And you Isele people should know that Benin Kingdom have only one king. So that your Obi of Isele to Benin people, he is not seen as a king, he is seen as a chief. So your Obi is an Enogie. This is a fact. Benin Kingdom don't have two kings. So Benin people don't see your Obi as a king. Not be king, he be to them. Not only when they see your Obi as king, they see your king as Enogie. They see him as a chief. So you people are just migrants. All of now for Isele they thought say you people are not Igbo people. You are migrants, you are tenants there. So many Isele people are saying it that this is our king, na Benin from come, but we not be Benin people. The video full internet. You people are tenants among the original owners of the land, just like Benin people are tenants in Idu land, where they came and invaded from Ile-Ife. Any king at all from any region in Nigeria that is claiming that they are descendants of Benin people, that king, nah, chief, not be king, be. Benin don't have only one king, and that is the Oba. So, Isele people are Igbos. This our brother said that he is Igbo, and he is Igbo. Anioma is Igbo land, Anioma is Igbo territory. He said that those Anioma people that are fighting Anioma say should think. No, they mumu. Asari Dokubo is there telling us that we Anioma people are Igbos, telling the people that they are Igbos that they should stop denying. So all those people that are telling us that we Anioma people are not Igbos, now animals they be. They are enemies in this country trying to divide the Igbo race, but we the Igbo unification movement are telling them that they will always fail. Anioma land is Igbo land. We are Igbo people. And we are expected to be zoned to the southeast where we belong. Anioma is a southeast state. May Chuku bless Inetoned Nwoko. May Chuku bless every Anioma person, both youth and kings that want Anioma state to be zoned to southeast. Igbo Bofu, and we must never allow animals from other tribes to divide us. Ishe Wale.